Hey, welcome back, family. I'm glad you're here. My name is Jarvis Judah. For those who are first timers, welcome to the family. Hit subscribe, notification bell, select all. Look, today I'm just taking you behind the scenes into the life of an entrepreneur. That's right, I got a lot of stuff going on today. I gotta meet with kids, well, I don't wanna call them kids, students at the university. I'm actually gonna be meeting with some other people. I got a couple of meetings where someone needs some business planning and different things like that. I'm gonna take you all to the office. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show y'all the before and the after of my office. And actually, I'm gonna go get a haircut as well. I need a haircut. I look all rough right now, I'm all scruffy. So you guys are gonna get a chance to see a lot of stuff today, and you just get a chance to see what it's like day by day for me, what I do as an entrepreneur. So please check it out. Right. This is how the credit bureau look at you. So whenever you're trying to build your credit score, this is how the credit bureaus are trying to determine what your credit score should be. So 35% of your grade on your credit score is all about your payment history. So basically, like, if you just had a brand new account, nothing on your credit, everything white clean, your payment history is not big yet. So you don't have that much history. So they're looking at it like, okay, all right, he ain't really got no payment history. So that's why it's a lot of times it's real good to get like some kind of secure card or anything like that, so you can start building a payment history. Once you build a payment history, then you're in a situation where you can say, hey, I make my payments on time. Then hey. Just getting to the office, guys. As you can see, it's a lot. Now we never showed you the before and after, so we're gonna show the before real quick. So that was the before. This is the after. We're still not finished yet. Still got a couple things that we're working. You ain't got the mic here. Good. Got a couple things that we're working on. It don't sound as good without the mic. If my sound quality off, guys, it's because Jayla didn't want to put the mic on. So we're gonna see how it sounds. So I not pick out none of the colors. I can't take none of the credit. This is the designer right here. This is Emmanuel. He's not too camera friendly right now, I guess. Can you tell him the name of your website?
Productive Cloud Solutions.
That is Productive Cloud Solutions. For those who did not hear, Productive Cloud Solutions. He is a computer programmer. He actually creates all kind of cool apps, and he make like little robots walk and all kind of crazy stuff or whatever. Like, computer genius. So like, you have any apps and anything for your company, that's the guy right there. That's who I get to do a lot of my stuff behind the scenes. Y'all know nothing about websites and stuff like that. Have a little coding in the background, doing a little crazy stuff, putting cookies on your computer. But that's the guy. So this is, we're still painting. I got this last little room to get through painting. This is where I'm gonna be doing a lot of my shoots or whatever, stuff like that. Trying to paint it all white, so I got a little bit more work to do. But right now, all I'm finna do is we sit down in this little back office over here and just get to work. I'm in college still. I'm doing my master's. I'm getting a digital marketing degree, Clayton State University, for those who don't know. And basically, I'm finna work on some of my digital marketing homework. And I'm actually gonna show y'all my grades. Show y'all my grades for all y'all students out there. Show you my grades. Got my H2O spring water, what I drink. Alright, they'll put them fluid. They should pay me for that, but they're not. Maybe one day. So, hey, I know there's gonna be some lines in the screen, but I just want to show y'all these grades. As you can see, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, all the way down, just 100s, 100s, 100s. You see that? All these 100s, this ain't due yet, March 4th, but you know, you can see, just making good grades. So make sure you guys are doing your work, you know, 100, 100, 100. Make sure you guys are doing your work. Making your good grades is very, 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 very good to make good grades. So I work very hard. So even though I run a successful company, I'm making all kind of deals. I'm doing all kind of tutoring. As y'all seen me earlier, I was, you know, helping somebody out with some things they needed for their company and for, you know, their progression. And now I'm at the office here, you know, you catch me painting, doing all kind of crazy stuff or whatever. But even though I have a busy schedule, it doesn't give me an excuse not to be the best of everything that I do. So my school, 100. My company, 100. Your credit score, 850. We're gonna get it right. So make sure you work hard so you can be great at whatever you do. Don't make excuses, just make a way. Another day, life in an entrepreneur, walking into this class about to do a mentorship program with some students to let them know what's going on. So y'all stay tuned, I'll let y'all know how it went after. Wait for permission to get in. So this is the theater where I first started doing some shows. I think I did like a poem. I had Meetings of the Minds. We used to do an annual event. Me and a guy, his name is David Wilson, everybody called him Champ. We used to do Meetings of the Minds here. And we had Al Sharpton's people come out. We would have like different people, 107.9. Like we had like a lot of different people that come to this campus. And so this is a theater room that we would use for some of our events. So one of my first events, I think I did a motivational speech probably, but I used to do poetry here as well. So I don't know if I remember the poem. Let me see how it goes, let me see. It's like, dang, girl, what you got going on inside of me? It's like you reached into my heart and did the matrix on the G. It's like I've known you forever, but then again, we've just met. I find myself showing off your Facebook, bragging she's next, but in my mind, I'm thinking she's it. See, I was thinking I could never fall. I could never slip and let those words, I love you, come from my lips, but when you're not around, that's all that seems to flow. I love you, I love you, I love you, girl. Oh, more. And I can't begin to express what I feel inside. It's like I'm bolted to the ground, but I believe I can fly. It's like your every touch melts my soul, leaves me froze, warm, hot, burning fire, chill, froze, freezing cold. Anyway, you know what I'm saying? It was something like that or whatever. I can't remember the rest of it and everything like that, but this is where I used to perform right here. Man, it's nostalgia. Hey, stay tuned. This is the day in the life of an entrepreneur. Just got through speaking to the students and everything. As you've seen, it went great. And so now we're about to wrap up the day and everything. I got some couple of meetings to go through, and I got some school work to do. This is my last week of school. I pretty much made good grades, as y'all can see. And so now I'm finna go full time with this channel. So you guys gonna see some amazing growth real soon. So stay tuned. So now we're here at the barbershop. Gotta get my hair cut. Yeah, I'm jumping in on y'all like that from now on. So, the best barbershop in all Jonesboro, Monroe, Riverdale, Clayton County area. The very, very, very best barbershop. So if y'all in Clayton County, y'all in South Lake Mall, y'all gotta come to this barbershop right here. Only place that I ever get my hair cut is right here. Trap, best barber in town right here. Best barber in town right here. Only place I ever, only guy touch my head. Nobody ain't touch my head. This guy right here. Y'all gonna see how good it look after the fact. There you go. Hey, Trap man right here. South Lake Mall, LA Trap. Please do not show up in a business meeting. With that, you will not get the position. None of those people. I used to work here when I was like 18 years old. It's like not my first job, but like my first job in college, or one of my first jobs in college. I was like packing clothes. I would like cut the little plastic off and hang the clothes up. That was horrible. But hey, humble beginnings. It says relax. So it's not that comfortable. I guess it's for people who like firm beds. Oh, you gonna catch me talking?
No. That's it. That'd be tight.
So this is my typical day, guys. You got a chance to see me get my hair cut. You got a chance to see me speak with the students, have a business meeting. You know, just different things that I do each and every day. I go out in the communities. I mentor the kids. I go out and I have different business meetings, helping different entrepreneurs accomplish their goals. So you're gonna see a lot more of this. But comment down below to let me know if you want to see more of this, because usually I just teach you all lessons, but I never really take you in my life. So if y'all are interested in this kind of thing, definitely shoot a comment down below. Let me know. And for all y'all first timers, please just click my little face right there. And guess what? You'll be subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much. I'm out.